Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Feeling like your Windows PC is running slower than a turtle on a treadmill? Don't worry, I've got you covered. Today, I'm sharing 15 super easy, super effective tips to turbocharge your computer. But before we dive in, don't forget to smash that like button, hit subscribe, and ring the bell. Because who doesn't want more epic hacks to make life easier? Let's jump in! Tip 1. Disable startup programs. Does your PC take forever to boot? It's probably because your computer is trying to open every app under the sun. Fix this by opening Task Manager, going to the Startup tab, and disabling programs you don't use right away. Your PC will thank you for not making it multitask at boot. Tip 2. Turn off visual effects. Sure, animations and fancy visuals are cool, but not when they make your PC feel like it's stuck in slow motion. Right-click this PC, go to Properties, then Advanced System Settings, then Performance Settings, and choose Adjust for best performance. Your computer will feel snappier, and hey, who needs glitter when you've got speed? Tip 3. Uninstall unused applications. Raise your hand if you've got apps installed that you haven't opened since 2015. It's time to clean house. Go to Control Panel, then Programs, then uninstall a program and kick out those freeloaders. More space equals faster PC. Tip 4. Clean up disk space. Your hard drive isn't a junkyard. Run disk cleanup by searching for it in the Start menu. Clear out temporary files, system files, and other clutter to give your PC room to breathe. Tip 5. Disable background apps. Background apps are like that one friend who eats all your snacks without asking. Go to Settings, then Privacy, then Background Apps, and turn off the ones you don't need. Your computer's energy will go where it's needed most. Tip 6. Enable fast startup. Want your computer to boot faster than a race car? Enable fast startup. Search for power options. Click choose what the power button does and tick enable fast startup. Vroom vroom. Tip 7. Keep drivers updated. Outdated drivers are like shoes that don't fit, they slow you down. Use Windows Update or a tool like Driver Booster to make sure your drivers are up to date and your PC is cruising smoothly. Tip 8. Disable search indexing. Unless you're constantly searching for files, indexing can hog resources. Right-click your drive in File Explorer, go to Properties and uncheck Allow Files to have contents indexed. Boom, less lag. Tip 9. Increase virtual memory. Out of RAM? No problem, borrow some from your hard drive. Go to System Settings, then Advanced Settings, then Performance Settings, and finally, the Advanced tab. Under Virtual Memory, set a custom size. It's like giving your PC a brain boost. Tip 10. Scan for malware. Malware is like the annoying party crasher that slows down everything. Run a scan with Windows Defender or a trusted antivirus program to kick them out. Your PC will run smoother and safer. Tip 11. Adjust power settings. If your PC is saving power, it's also saving speed. Switch to high performance mode in power options to unleash its full potential. Search for power options and make the switch, because who needs energy saving when you're plugged in? Tip 12. Defragment your hard drive. For HDD users, fragmented files are like a messy room. Everything takes longer to find. Open, defragment, and optimize drives, and give your hard drive a tidy up. SSD users, skip this one. You're already living in the fast lane. Tip 13. Remove bloatware. Manufacturers love to fill your PC with unnecessary apps, aka bloatware. Use tools like PC Decrapifier to send them packing. Your PC will feel lighter and faster instantly. Tip 14. Update Windows regularly. Updates might feel annoying, but they're like vitamins for your PC. Keep your system up to date to enjoy performance boosts and bug fixes. Trust me, it's worth it. Tip 15. Add more RAM or upgrade to SSD. For the ultimate speed upgrade, consider adding more RAM or switching to an SSD. It's like giving your PC a rocket booster. Your programs will open in a snap, and your boot times will feel like a blink. Alright folks, those were 15 fun and easy tips to make your Windows PC faster than ever. Which one are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments below. If this video helped you out, be sure to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any future tech hacks. Thanks for watching. Now go enjoy your lightning fast computer. See you next time.